So this will be the guide for how to do the Google Sheets part of the project. So once you're done, as you can see, I have 0 days left. I played a little bit and I got to 8,641. Once you are done, you will simply click End Journey, which would pull up this tab. All you need to do is press Copy Google Sheets table, go to the Google Sheets that is assigned to you on Google Classroom, and you can just press Control V. Once you press Control V, it would put down the what you did on each day. So for example, on day 1, I was buying items. I bought 10 fish, and that means I spent 820 gold coins, right? And then I traveled to Pickaxe Point, spent 100 on that. I sold all my fish, got 930. And this basically keeps track of everything you've done on your path, right? So this can also be a way for you to do part 2 if you haven't filled it in already. You can also use this to help you fill in the table for part 2. Once you have this, what you need to do on Google Sheets is to filter out each item to see what the average profit is for each item. So for example, what you will do is you will click on this column D, you will click on the letter, you will go to data, and you will click create a filter. Once you create a filter, this column will have a green border. You can click on this 3 lines up here, which will let you pick which ones you want, right? So first I will clear all of it. And so I will start with, say, fish, right? As you can see, I have a lot of fish that I bought and sold. What I will do is I will take all this, Control C for copy. I will make a new sheet, paste, and now I have just the fish, right? This is all the things that I did with my fish. So then I will add up how much I spent on the fish and then how many fish I bought. So I will do me buying the fish first. So me buying the fish means it's going to be all of the negative numbers, right? So it'll be this one. I can just click on it, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one, right? So in total, I spent 7,366 coins on fish. Now, how many fish did I buy? Well, I bought 10 here, 19 here, 29 here, 29 again here, and then 24 here. So in total, I bought 111 fish. Now, to find the average amount of money that I spent, I would do this one divided by this one, right? The amount of coins I spent total divided by how many I bought. So this tells me that I paid about 66 gold coins per fish, right? I'm going to do the same thing for selling now. So how much money I made is this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. And I can just type the number, right? Because every fish that I bought, I sold. So these two will be the same number, right? Same thing, I will divide. And so for each fish, I paid about 66 coins and I got about 90 coins. So that means that for each fish, my profit for each fish is about 24 coins per fish, right? About. And once you have that, you will repeat the process for all your products. So now that I finish fish, I might go, okay, now let me do fabric. I don't have as much, which is okay. Copy. And you can just use the same sheet and put it right below, right? So I have my fish part up here, and now I'm going to have my fabric part here. And I do the same thing. All my negatives added up, plus this. And then all my positives added up. This plus this plus this. Next, I need to do my buying, right? How many that did I buy? 38. Same thing, right? These will be the same number. And so my average I'm going to do the same thing here. This one divide by this one. Add it all up. So for each fabric, I paid about 104 coins, and I got 136 coins, 136 and a half coins on average, right? So that means for each piece of fabric, for each unit of fabric, I got about 32 coins per piece of fabric. And so once you have that, you just repeat this process for the rest of your items. If you only use 3 items, then you only need to do 3. If you bought all types of items, you will need to do all of them, right? So whatever you used, you'll have to do that. If you only use 3 items, your columns would be a lot bigger, right? You would have a lot more than just this, right? You might have all the way down to 21 of just fish if you just bought a lot of fish from everywhere and sold it everywhere. That could be something that happens. That's okay. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. And once you're done, you can click turn in. Email me if you have any questions. I will try to respond to you as soon as I can.